So welcome back friends. Once again I am back with another interesting question today. So in the question we have to find the area of shaded region, and let us see what things are given. It says that PQRS is a square and the length of its diagonal QS is given as 20 units, and we have to find the area of this shaded region. So how we are going to find this area of shaded region? So the concept that we will be using is the concept of symmetry. PQRS is a square and inside it we have a circle. So don't you think that these four areas, number 1, number 2, number 3 and number 4 will be identical, right? So area 1, area 2, area 3, area 4, because they are identical, formed by the intersection of symmetric figures, then we can say that they are also equal. So our funda will be, we will first find the area of square, then we will subtract the area of circle, so we will get the area of these four regions, 1, 2, 3, 4, and we know that they are equal, so I will divide the area by 4, so we will get the area of this shaded region. So the first thing is that we have to find the area of this square, and we know that area of square is the square of its side, and we do not know the side. So what we can do is, let us focus on triangle QRS. This is the hypotenuse, so we can apply Pythagorean theorem. Let this distance be A, because it is a square, so this distance will also be A. So we can write A square plus A square is equal to 20 square. 20 squared is 400. So 2A square is equal to 400. So A square is equal to 200. This implies A is equal to square root of 200, or A is equal to 10 root 2 units. Now, after getting the value of A as 10 root 2, we can find the area of square. So area of square PQRS is equal to A square. Directly we can find A square from here. See, A square is equal to 200. So area of square is 200 square units. Now we need to find the area of this circle. So area of circle will be pi times radius squared. So what is the radius? That we need to find. So how we are going to find the radius? See, this is the diameter of circle and this is equal to A. So if the diameter is A, the radius will be A upon 2. So A upon 2. So from here we can get R is equal to, this distance is R, is equal to 10 root 2 divided by 2, that is 5 root 2. So we can write pi times 5 root 2 squared. So 5 times 5, 25 times 2, 50 pi square units. So this is the area of the circle. And if we substitute the value of pi as 22 upon 7 or 3.14, we will get approximately 157 square units as the area of the circle. Now if we subtract this area of square with the area of this circle, we will get this area. This area will be left. See? So 200 minus 157 will be the area of these four shaded regions. And since they are symmetrical, if we divide this area by 4, we will get the area of shaded region, right? So 200 minus 157 is 43. divided by 4 is n.75. So the area of this shaded region is 10.75 square units. If you want to get more such videos, do subscribe to my channel. See you in the next video.